Adeline Bowman was born in San Francisco in 1908. At the age of 29, she stopped aging. Howdy guys, my name is Julia. Welcome to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to recreate Adeline Bowman style from the Age of Adaline movie. I like her style and I think that is kind of vintage and stuff. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also write in the comments did you like it, and if you decided to recreate these styles, please send me your pictures on Instagram or Twitter. So let's go! So we are going to start with the hair. I curled my hair in a natural way, if I can say like that. I mean, it is not heat. Well, I used the medium curlers at the night before, so I just need to take off them now. I unramble my hair curlers. And then I wear a red headband to start doing my makeup. Moving on for the next step. I'm going to start off applying my foundation, and I don't really like applying anything to my face, but what to do? Next, I take my little contour palette, and there are only contour and highlighter, and I sculpture my face a little bit with these two shades. Then I'm applying eyebrow shadows to my eyebrows. I'm also applying lighter shadows around my eyebrows, and then I brush my eyebrows with eyebrow wax. The next step is eyeshadows. I apply pinky shimmery eyeshadows to my eyelids. Then I apply gray-purple eyeshadows to my crease. Our next move is applying eyeliner. Hard thin, especially when you film it. So much better. After that, I'm applying a mascara to my eyelashes. Thereafter, I apply a blush to my cheeks. And then I finish my makeup with lipsticks. It's time for the outfit! I'm wearing on grey coat and it reminds some British style. Adeline is not British, but that's okay. Accessory here, this beautiful dark blue neck chief. Firstly, I wanted to wear another one, but I just didn't find it at my home. I'm sorry. I wear dark blue dress. It is shorter than Adeline's. I also wear black tights and dark blue ballet shoes. much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Write in the comments what do you think about this style, and if you recreated it, please send me your pictures on Instagram or Twitter. So thank you so much for watching and goodbye.